Hey guys, what's going on? So school's already getting back in session. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It is an origami pencil. And see, it's got a nice color changed tip right here, which is the lead. And yeah, and it's a nice sturdy pencil. And yeah, so I'm going to show you to make this, and then I'm going to show you to put an eraser on it right here, see? But the only problem about putting an eraser on it is that it shortens the pencil. But it still looks really nice, so I'm going to show you to do that. So yeah, so I'm going to show you to fold both of these. So first this one. So want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for these two pencils, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. Okay, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. And by the way, this model is actually similar to that pencil designed by Jeremy Schaefer, and you can check that video out right there. Okay, unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease, like this. Alright, now rotate like this, and now we're going to fold this part up, and this is to taste. So, if you want the lead on here to be shorter, then fold it up more. But if you want it to be longer, like on this one, then fold it up less. So I'm going to go about this much. So somewhere in between. So a decent size. Alright, once you got it, crease that sharply. Okay, like that. Now turn over, and let's fold in half. Unfold, and now we're going to make a paper airplane fold, so fold this edge to the crease on both sides. Okay, like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle crease right here. Actually, there's already an existing crease right here, so it should be pretty easy. Like that. And now unfold that. Now let's lift this layer up and tuck it in, just like that. And now rotate like this and do the same thing. So fold this edge to the middle, and we're folding on this existing crease. Well, no, actually not right on that crease, but close enough. And unfold and stick it in the pocket like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge right here and we're going to fold it up right over this folded edge right here. So we're not folding to the middle, we're just folding over that edge. Alright, crease that sharp and unfold that, and now let's open this pocket right here and stick it in just like that. Get it tucked in there. And repeat on this side. So fold over that edge, this edge. Make sure the edges align right here too. Alright, and now stick it in the pocket. Like that. Alright, and now let's kind of narrow this part out a little bit, because it's kind of fat looking. So we're going to make kind of another paper airplane fold. So we're going to take these two edges right here, both of these, and fold them to the middle line. Like this. Alright. And now let's turn the model over, and oh yeah, that looks so much better. Okay, and now let's kind of narrow the pencil out a little bit, because this is way too fat looking. I mean, you might like it like this, but I'm going to make it narrow. So fold these two edges to the middle again, on all layers. It's a little bit thick, but that's alright. Crease it as sharp as you can. Like that. And voila, here it is. There is the pencil. So yep, it's just that easy. So there you have it. Alright, so if you like it like that, then you are done. And I hope you have a good school year. So yeah. Alright, so now put an eraser on it like I did on this one, then this is what we're gonna do. So let's first we have to kind of unfold these folds we did right here. So unfold these two folds like this. Unfold everything right here. Don't unfold completely, just unfold these folds. Do what I'm doing. Just like this, just about this much. So make sure this is all one layer right here. Okay, now turn over on this side. And we're gonna take this edge, and actually if you want you could do it to taste, but there is a guide mark you can do. You can fold it to these 2 points right here. And that's what I'm gonna do. But remember, this will shorten the pencil a little bit. But it still looks good though. Some pencils are short too, just so you know. Okay, like this. And now we're gonna remake those folds we did, so make sure you're doing it on the right creases. So, yep, that fold right there. Alright, then this fold. Yep. Into the pocket. Alright. And then now, make this fold right here and this one. And then right here. Alright, and boom, there's an eraser on it now. See, it's shorter and it's got an eraser. So yeah, I think this is a really cool model. So yeah, it's got nice lead right here. And so there it is. And maybe if you make it like this, kind of like that, you can three-dimensionalize it like that. But it's not gonna really stay though. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a transforming pencil. You can make it 2D like this and transform it to 3D. Oh, my crickets are chirping. Like that. So there you have it. Alright, well I hope you guys were able to fold this, and I hope your school year is going well. And yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.